হ্যালো ডিয়ার ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু ইনফিনিটি হার্ট চ্যানেল। ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটরের পক্ষ থেকে সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
Infinity Archie, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Hello everyone, good morning, nice to meet you. I am Diva. Welcome to our talk show. Today we will introduce guest who is here.
Hi,
Okay dear, let's talk to her. Hello, excuse me.
yes please.
Your name?
Thanks for your asking. I'm Shravani.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What class do you read?
I have appeared SSC examination this year.
What's your ambition?
Thanks. Actually, I want to be an advocate in future.
Oh, yours sounds good. Why are you learning English?
Well, look, you know English is an international as well as a very important language, so I am learning this language.
Well, this is the last question. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is gardening.
Thank you so much for joining. No more today. Hope to see you again. Bye.
See you, bye.